How to find TikTok stream key on mobile. Today we're going to show you how to find a TikTok stream key on mobile. If you're looking to stream on TikTok using OBS or any other software, this guide is for you. So let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your mobile device and make sure you're logged into your account. Then go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon and tap on three horizontal bars and go to settings and privacy. From there, simply tap on live. Here you can simply find an option that says live streaming. If you haven't already enabled live streaming on TikTok, make sure you meet the requirements. You'll need at least 1,000 followers to unlock the live feature. Next, simply tap on creator tools, then go on live to go to your live streaming settings. Here you'll see a stream key option. Just tap on the stream key option to view and copy your stream key. Once you tap on the stream key, you can copy it to your clipboard. This is the key you'll need to import into OBS or any other streaming feature software to start broadcasting on TikTok. And that's it. After inputting the stream key, you're ready to go live.